Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome back to Local Eats. Doing something a little different today, as much as I wanted to do pizza. I'm going to be doing a place called Craving Thai. And, oh wow, I got a lot of containers in here. Now what they have on their menu is something called chicken karaage. I thought it was on their appetizer menu, but apparently I was wrong about that. So I've got a container here. This must be rice because it comes with rice. And it is. Yum. I love rice. It comes with, I believe, yep, salad, but it doesn't look like it comes with any dressing. And the lettuce doesn't look that great. It looks a little... Oh, I guess there's dressing already on it. We're going to see about the salad because the ingredients don't look that fresh in the salad, which is honestly why I like to do my salad at home. So here is the karaage, and we'll get a close-up shot and the dipping sauce. Stuff is really good. Last time I had it was really good. Let me get the camera turned down so you can take a good look at it. And we'll start eating. Alright, so there's the rice. And there is the chicken. There's chicken thighs. But they have the batter, the breading on them is really good. And I believe this is a soy sauce or ponzu sauce. It looks like there's some either sesame or in like maybe some red pepper flakes. So we'll get that open. I'll do that off camera because I opened that right now. It's spill everywhere. So let's get to it. The fact that the sauce is just pure liquid really makes me nervous, but let's see if this place is as good as I remember. I'm glad they survived the pandemic. I hadn't been down there since a couple of years, like pre-pandemic. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's really good. Really good. Mmm. Some nice big pieces of, nice big chunks of chicken. Hot. Now I'll tell you what, that chicken is really good, and that ponzu, I don't know if it's soy or ponzu or like a combination of both, but got a little kick to it, real nice. Here's the rice. Mmm. Man, I love rice. It's just plain white rice, but I kind of feel like plain white rice is a little underappreciated. Mm. Alright, well, I'm going to sit here and enjoy my chicken. And catch you guys in a few. Alright, I wanted to show you the salad. To me, it just doesn't look like a good salad at all. It's got some questionable looking pieces in here. Like this one here. And this stuff. I think it might be, I'd almost be willing to bet that they didn't actually cut their own greens. They open up that mix. You can kind of tell by the carrot. It doesn't taste very good either. Ugh. Alrighty, so good stuff. The chicken, I like the idea of giving it a rating. You know, I was watching one Barstool reviews with the One Bite pizza reviews. Been watching those a lot lately because, you know, who doesn't love good pizza? Of course, I wish I had the money to go travel around to try these places because they look phenomenal. But I like the idea of doing a rating. So I would rate the chicken probably an 8.7 out of 10. Really good chicken. Not perfect, but really good. The sauce was great. Had just a little bit of kick, but not too kicky, like kicky. No, not too big a kick. The rice was good. Nothing really special about the rice. Give it probably a good solid 8.1. I mean, you know, but I like rice anyway. The pitiful salad, though. This thing is just, not only does it not look good, it didn't even taste good. So I'm going to give that a good 1.01. Just boo on the salad. I would have eaten it too if it was actually halfway decent, but it was awful. Ugh. Well, there you go, Craving Thai. I did actually get I think karaage is actually a Japanese dish, I think. I could be wrong, but it was good. I didn't actually order any Thai dishes, but maybe sometime down the road I'll look into getting ordering something else and trying it. Cause that was like $17.52 after tax. And I normally would have given them a tip, but when I looked online, it was $12.50. I thought, oh, that's a great price to get down there, and it's like $17. I don't know what the extra charge was for, but well, I guess it leads to a question: if you guys are getting takeout, do you tip? Normally, I do, but today I didn't. So, but I'm not really a regular customer. But anyway, I guess I'll cut to the menu, which I'll shoot online. Prices might be off, but I'll do it. I'll do the best I can, and I'll bring it back. Alrighty, hopefully that's straight. Doesn't look it. Let's see if we can improve that. Make sure you guys can see the whole thing. So I'm gonna go to allmenus.com, I think. If you guys see a dish that you think I should try, give a shout. So appetizers, they got spring rolls, gyoza, which I love, papaya salad, and then fresh spring rolls. They have house fried rice, basil fried rice, pineapple fried rice, supreme fried rice. And then the noodles, they got pad thai, Singapore stir-fried noodles, yakisoba. Actually, I do kind of like yakisoba. That might be something I get next. Pad see ew. Cabbage, eggs, carrots, and your choice of protein. Okay. Pad K Mao. Alright. I'm not really sure what that is. I don't really know my Thai food, by the way. A la carte, I got Hema Parm. I could be saying this wrong too. Pak Ramet. Wow, I'm just butchering this language. KTM. A few others. I'll make sure to link this page so you guys don't have to sit here and listen to me butcher their menu. And I do have curry. I'm interested in their curry because I actually do really like curry. So maybe I'll have to see if they have one that I like. So they got pho. Oh, it's curry and soup. So they got pho. And they have curries here and soups. Red curry, choice of protein, no rice. The mi kati, no, green curry. And then, so here's a karaage. See, it says $12.50 here. On allmenus.com, this is $12.50, but it was actually like $17. So This, I don't think they updated this. So Don Bowl. Don Bowl might be something kind of good. Yeah. I do like the bowls. They got katsu, deep fried chicken or pork cutlet, which I can just make my own. Kadage, the mu yang, barbecue pork cooked in house-made teriyaki. So basically, it's teriyaki chicken or teriyaki pork. Sorry, barbecue pork. Anyway, I guess that's pretty much it. So I guess I'll stop butchering their menu. And oh man. Alrighty, there we go. Craving time. Pretty good. I'd get that chicken again, anytime. And as always, I do appreciate you watching. There will be in the description, there'll be a playlist for my series on these. I've got a whole playlist going. The end card will also have, excuse me, the playlist, the last video I shot. And if you're not subscribed, please do so. Like, subscribe would be appreciated. And we'll catch you in the next one, which will probably be 2 weeks again. So, peace out.